The word farm probably brings to mind fields of grain or pastures with cows. You certainly don't think of a pond. However, pond scum, as most people call it, could be an important crop in the farming of tomorrow. The so-called scum is really one of the most abundant plants on Earth, algae. Scientists have grown many kinds of algae in their labs, but the traditional culturing process is slow and laborious. Now Dr. Malcolm Potts of Florida State University and a colleague at a private company have adapted this machine to grow algae. The machine works on the same principle as the fermenters used to brew beer. A compressor circulates an air-water mixture in the glass chamber. The growth rate of the algae is controlled by the amount of light and heat. With the system, they can cultivate specific algae strains, like this blue-green variety. Dr. Potts believes its ability to capture nitrogen from the air to make proteins could someday replace the traditional chemical fertilizers, which often result in water and soil pollution. Some countries use algae as a protein food supplement, much like we use soybeans. Dr. Potts' work may lead to a practical way of growing algae on a large scale for both food and fertilizers, now that it's possible to mass produce one of the most common plants, algae.